So I'm going to do a quick explanation, and I say quick because you know me, I usually give about 14 different examples from every perspective and angle possible, but we're going to go very specific today. I'm going to do a quick review of perimeter, and then I'm also going to show you how to find the unknown side length of a shape. And we're really looking at quadrilaterals, but also really just any polygons. Remember, polygons are any shape that has at least 3 or more straight sides and are what? Not open, but closed. Okay, so here we go. Perimeter. Let's do a quick review. Perimeter is the distance around a shape. Sorry, I just got back in town and I'm going old school with this. Parents, you understand. All right, so perimeter is the distance around the shape. Notice this. Whoop, here it is. Around the word around, not where the letters are, but the line that goes around it. Okay, next, how do you find perimeter? The easiest thing to do, add all the sides together. Doesn't matter if there's 3 sides or 13 sides. Add all the sides together. Boom, you have the perimeter. Don't forget the unit. Centimeters, inches, yards, something like that. The third thing you have to remember is to use what you already know. Come on, guys. There's so many things you already know. For instance, squares, all equal sides. What is that? Yes, squares, all equal sides. Rectangles, opposite sides are equal. Don't judge. Okay, so I didn't capitalize it. I didn't put a period. It's okay. Because maybe if you know it's a square and you're missing one of the sides, bingo, all you need to know is the length of one of them, and you'll know all of them. So next step. Let's use an example problem here. Oh, there's one thing I want to say. When you are finding an unknown side length, notice on the sheet it says algebra that you're working on today. The reason is because you use this thing called variables. Don't let the letters scare you. They are just variables. What are variables? Well, they're just the letters that are representing the unknown or missing side lengths. In this case, it could be anything. You're going to see lots of problems using X's and Y's and N's and A's and B's and C's. And you know what? It's used in geometry later on and everything else. So don't be afraid of them. Page 3. I told you this is going to go pretty fast. All right. So I have an example. Let's say you have this problem here. The perimeter is 24 centimeters. And you have, all but this one right here at the bottom. Where is it? Here it comes. B. B, that's not a number. So what is it? So you look at the shape. If you notice, it's a rectangle, it looks like, but I'm not 100% sure, but let's pretend it is. So the opposite side lengths 7 are going to be equal. What about these? Yes, they're parallel. So if we do this correctly, guess what B should be? Go ahead and make your prediction. What do you think B should be? Okay, that was too many B's. Well, let's take a look. Pretend that each one, okay, each side is cut apart. Guess how many pieces you would have? Look over here. How many pieces would you have? 4 of them, okay? That one on the bottom here, that's the unknown side length. So if you were to cut them apart and lay them out, boom, there's your 4 sides. 5, 7, 7. What could I put there? A B. Yes, don't forget, what is the total perimeter? 24 centimeters. So now I keep going. I'm going to take that and I'm going to do what I know what I can do. I can add. I'm going to add them together, correct? See, I made a mistake, but it's okay. Just fix your mistakes. No one will know. I write them down again. There, right here, is my missing side length. So what am I going to do? Add what I do know, what is known together. What's 5 plus 7 plus 7? Notice I put parentheses around it. 19. So I know that if I have 19 and add it to whatever is missing here, I'm going to get 24. So I can either count on my fingers 19 up to 24 or, boom, use related facts, fact families. Right here, 24 minus 19 equals 5. So guess what's going to happen? The missing side length is 5 centimeters. Is that what you guessed in the beginning? If it is, you were correct.